Hey there, how's it going today? Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. Hope you're all staying safe. And this is another video in my training series on how to start email marketing. And this video is on digital affiliate email marketing. And any resources that I talk about in the video will be in the description, including the blog post. This is a rehash video that I had done in the past. So let's go watch that video and then I'll be back. Okay, this is video 3 in my video training series on email marketing. And in this slide, we're going to talk about the concept of digital affiliate email marketing. Okay, in this slide, we're going to go more in depth on digital affiliate email marketing. And we're first going to talk about the basic concept of digital affiliate email marketing. So we have the basic concept of digital affiliate email marketing. And basically in digital affiliate email marketing and all types of marketing, you're going to need an autoresponder service. And you will have to pay for that. And we've talked about that in some other slides. But anyway, and here are some examples of autoresponders. Aweber, GetResponse, SendLane, ActiveCampaign. Those are some examples, and there are other ones, but you will have to pay for this. Okay, and the basic concept is you're using something of value known as a lead magnet to get them to, bribing them basically to give you their name and email or just their email address. So you have a lead magnet, can be anything of value to get them to sign up on your email list. Or your opt-in page or squeeze page, also known as a lead magnet page. So you're using a bribe to get them to give you their name and email or just their email address. And after they do that, then it sends them to a thank you page. And on the thank you page, it will say your thing of value will be sent to you within the next 15 minutes. While you wait, check out this related product. And that's the button. There'll be a button on here. They push the button, then it sends them to the affiliate offer, digital affiliate product offer. So you got the thank you page. While you wait, push the button, sends them to the offer. Okay, while that's happening, it sends them automatically with the autoresponder service a welcome message. And that's where your indoctrination period is. And usually in digital affiliate email marketing, the indoctrination period is very short, maybe only 2, maybe 3 emails at most. And the welcome message is part of that, and so is the download the lead magnet page. So anyway, they'll get the welcome message. It'll say a little bit of information about you. It will also promote the digital affiliate product again, so they have a chance to take a look at that again if they didn't buy it the first time. And it also will say, check out my Facebook page, my YouTube channel, my homepage, my Twitter channel or Twitter page, stuff like that on it. And it also will try to get them to whitelist their email. That's where they sometimes they even give them a bribe, say, hey, if you whitelist my email, I'll send you this free gift, stuff like that. But basically what that does is keep them from, once they whitelist your email, then it won't go into the spam folder. So that's the whole idea of that. So anyway, they get the welcome message right after they sign up while they're going to the thank you page. And then within 10 to 15 minutes, it will send them the download the lead magnet page. This is where they get to download the lead magnet page. And on there, again, it will say some information about you. Also will have a promotional, so it promotes this digital affiliate product. And it has more information about, hey, check out my YouTube channel, my Twitter channel, my Facebook page, and stuff like that. On there, it tells them a little bit about yourself. So you're trying to build this relationship. And sometimes the download page, it will send them another one that says, reminder, don't forget to get your lead magnet. So sometimes there's another email after this, and it basically says the same thing that's on here, but it says, reminder, don't forget to download your free lead magnet, whatever it is you're using of value. So there might be 3 emails here. But anyway, after they go through this process here, and this is basically part of the indoctrination period, that's where they're getting to know you and you're trying to build a relationship, then it will start to send them promotional emails. And usually they're promoting the same offer that they did up here. Okay? So you'll promote this offer here, and it's usually 3 to 5 emails. Okay? And you, after that, then you wait a couple days, and then you'll have in your autoresponder service where it promotes a similar product. So if you promoted or got them to sign up for a video marketing program, okay, they went through this 3 to 5 emails right here, the promotional emails. You would want to stay congruent with that. So you went to the 3 to 5 emails, you promoted a video marketing offer, then you would promote another video marketing offer or something that's related to it or something that would help them with their video marketing. Let's just say you were promoting a video marketing software, okay, that makes actually makes videos is what I'm trying to say. And in that, what do they need with it? They need graphics, okay? You promote graphics, okay? Stuff like that. You promote graphics, other products that help them make videos. Trying to think of some examples right now, but even some other video marketing software that makes it easier. But anyway, you would want to stay congruent with video marketing. Just like if this was a Make Money Online product, you would want to stay congruent with that with Make Money Online. But there's other categories in Make Money Online, just like video marketing. There's other categories in video marketing, things that's going to help them. Email marketing, you would want to stay congruent with email marketing. I think you get the idea. But anyway, this is the basic concept of digital affiliate email marketing. You use a bribe known as a lead magnet to get them to give you their name and email or just their email. It sends them to a thank you page. On the thank you page, it says, thank you for signing up. Your lead magnet will be sent in your email within the next 15 minutes. While you wait, check out this related product, which sends them to an affiliate product offer. Okay. And while all this is happening, it sends a welcome message with an indoctrination thing on there, also promoting the same offer. And then it sends them 1, maybe 2, download the lead magnet page within the next 10 to 15 minutes with more indoctrination stuff on it, like what you had in the first message. And it also promotes this offer again. And then you might send a reminder within the next hour, download your lead magnet, okay? And then it starts sending them 3 to 5 promotional emails, which are related. It's usually the same offer that you tried to promote the first time, and then you'll wait a couple days, and then it will send them related products to whatever it is you tried to promote. So that's the basic concept. So now we'll move on into the next slide. Okay, I'm back, and that was my video on digital affiliate email marketing. So I hope you learned something. Stay safe and have a great day.